So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to uninstall battle.net. Once you see battle.net, you want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. Then you want to uninstall battle.net. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer Options. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on the View tab. And then you want to select Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Turn this on and then click on OK. And now you want to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. And now you want to find a drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You want to double click on it. And then click on Program Data. Now you want to delete both Battle.net and Blizzard Entertainment. Delete both these folders. And now for the next step, you just want to install Battle.net again. There's going to be a link down below in the description. Once you're here, you want to click on Download Battle.net. And then you just want to install it again, and then the problem should be fixed.